It's just a real quick walkthrough of the cars I got in my stable right here. On this particular property, I have a few more, but this is my 93 Ford F350 crew cab long bed, 4-wheel drive. It's got the 7.3 IDI in it. Here's a 1974 Ford F250 360 2-wheel drive, extended cab long bed. My 78 Ford F250 crew cab short bed, 4-wheel drive. This is a 400 with a 4-speed. And go over here. Got the Ford Thunderbird, 1974 460 big block. Not quite the classic, but well, it's a classic now. 2004 Ford Crown Victoria. This is a special project that I have going on. I am planning on painting this car this week, so stay tuned for that. My 1968 Ford Mustang. And this car I've owned since I was 17 years old, so this is my baby. Big plans for this car. And I'll do an in-depth video on each one of these cars individually to go over what my plans are, what I've done to them, what they have, and kind of what needs to happen. This is my 99 Ford F250. It's got the 7.3 liter Power Stroke in it, and it's got a few things done to it. It's not stock anymore. So another cool project rig. And Thunderbird, the 74, doesn't need much. The Mustang, it doesn't really need a whole lot to go. Crown Vic, it's getting painted and getting some things done to it anyways. Like I said, I'll do a more in-depth video on each vehicle, what the plan is for each vehicle, because each one's kind of got its own thing, but every single one of them, it's probably a little bit of a crazy dream, but it's coming to life. So it's going to be fun, and stay tuned.